Euphorbia lambii. Agrowplants.org, also known as Euphorbia bourgaeana and tree Euphorbia. This shrub, it's perennial evergreen. It's used for ornamental, for the leaves, for the shape, for the structure of the growth. It's also drought tolerant. In the right design, it can be also edge plant and can grow in a variety of climate. Mediterranean, subtropical, desert or tropical climate. Dry tropical, it's better. If you would like to purchase, there is a link below, link in the right top side, and if you purchase, this is donation for this channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe, really help to this channel to grow. So the leaves can be a green to grayish color. As you can see also, it's a linear shape. Flowers are not very significant, green to yellowish, 2 petals. Heart shape, as I said, not really significant. In order to grow it, you need well-drained soil, even dry soil, most of the time. So as I said, tropical, it will be dry tropical, or in a container under some kind of protection from the rain. Sandy soil, prefer above 5 degrees Celsius, but can survive light frost. There isn't a problem with frost, but it grows less good, and it's really affect. By the way, 5 Celsius, it's mean like 40 Fahrenheit. So you can start to grow it by plant seeds, or just to buy, or just to start from cutting. If you choose cutting, cut a stem. Be aware that it can cause some skin irritation, like other Euphorbia. And when you grow it, you just cut it, wait a little bit, let it heal the tissue. When it's healed, you put it in the soil and grow it the same as you grow fully adult plant. Except this, you can start from seeds, spring to summer, sunny location. Keep the soil lightly moist, but don't overwater. It's not good for the plant. And you should choose the right soil with a good drainage, the same for the cutting. You can start from seeds. It's easy to start from cutting, and harder from seeds. So why not to start from cutting if you have the option? Planting season will be in the spring to the summer in hardiness zone of 10A, spring to the autumn from hardiness zone of 10B to 11, and in hardiness zone of 12 plus will be all the year. Major pests are snail slugs, but not really. There isn't something that really affect on this plant. Pruning, it will be just for design. Better to do it in the winter, in the autumn. Possible also design it as a small tree. This is why it's called tree Euphorbia, but it's just the designing. In order to design it as a tree, you just cut it, all the stems that go from the sides, and you just have tree. It's not really hard. It's quite easy to do. The height of the plant will be from 1 to 3 meters, so it means 3 to 10 feet. It's a slow growing plant in the amazing condition. It arrives to average amount of speed. Water it in small amount of water. Do not overwater. Let it dry between watering. But also it can manage a little bit bigger amount of water. But you maybe should consider to grow it in a raising bed, or just to separate it. If you have a lot of friends, if you just put water, just reduce it. This is not the problem. The problem is overwater by raining. This might kill it. So you just use raising bed and all the water go down, and then you have the right drainage. So there isn't a problem here to grow it. Grow in full sun to half shade, and you also can grow it in container. It's not very hard. Just keep the drainage. It's very important for this plant. And also grow it a small plant. I saw that it's just lose a balance in the containers sometimes. Blooming season will be in the summer, and I said before, this is not very significant, the blooming. So if you choose to grow it, be aware that it's mostly for the leaves and for the structure of the plant. Except this, it's easy to grow, and there isn't really special requirement here. So why not to grow it? That's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, And of course, if you have any question, just ask. You have here links about more videos, some lists, subscribe, and of course purchase a plant, and this is donation for our channel. I hope you enjoy and come visit us again.